recently 1.5 months back I have changed my job, shifting to Mumbai at a very top tier audit firm with, I can say, 2.5 times of my salary.
Tell me about yourself, your background, your skill set.
I'm Yashwant. Actually, I'm a chartered accountant with 4 years of work experience while I have enrolled for this course. Basically, I'm into finance, audit, investigation, and accounting.
Can you please tell me what was your objective of the training?
There are many tools and technologies out there, and as a finance professional, I need to have an edge over the others. That was the main objective, because there are thousands of professionals out there who can easily surpass us, and there are hundreds of tools and technologies evolving on a day-to-day basis. Unless I am equipped with one of the good and major technology out there, I will become outdated. That was the main reason. And the second reason was, for an easy job change and easy shift, I need to have extra skills. More than education, what really the industry requires is the skill set you have, not just communication but also business skills, analytical skills, and professional skills as well. So that was the main reason I have enrolled for this course.
That's really nice thinking of yours. Moving to our next question. There are lots of online platforms available into the market, you might be aware, right?
Yeah.
So why Intellipaat? Why did you choose Intellipaat over others, and from where did you hear about Intellipaat?
Yeah, actually, there are hundreds of websites, hundreds of channels which are available for free of cost without even giving an investment. Even there are some platforms available which will give you a workshop, boot camps just for 500 and 1000 rupees. The main reason I have enrolled for this Intellipaat course was, out there in the market, what other people are giving, it is not structured. For example, if you just go on some platform and search for this, you will get that content, but you don't know the background, you don't know how to use it, what are the use cases, where you can apply it. Even if you know it, if you can't apply it, it's waste of money. The course structure of the Intellipaat was very, very transparent. Then I thought it is cost effective, they are offering many things, the course content is structured, and the support team is very good. These are 4 reasons why I have enrolled for Intellipaat. Frankly speaking, I had no referral at that point of time, but I believed in Intellipaat because they have very great support team.
Thank you so much for that. Since you might have taken a couple of classes, you might have finished the courses as well, 1 or 2, right? So can you please tell me, how was your experience with my mentors and instructors?
See, course material has some things, but actually how the instructor delivers it, that matters a lot. Because if they just read out the material, it is not sufficient, because what we are talking is industry related experience, and I think they have got it. The Intellipaat, more than instructors, they have acted as mentors, I can say. Even today I am part of many WhatsApp groups that the mentors are into, and I'm getting a great support from them. It is like a community.
To our next question, can you please tell me about your success story in brief words?
After 1 year, today, from Hyderabad, I'm shifting to Mumbai because I have got a very good, or I can say an amazing salary structure. I'm not getting, at the time of enrolling for this course, let's say my salary was X amount. Today, after changing my job, recently 1.5 months back, I have changed my job, shifting to Mumbai at a very top tier audit firm with, I can say, 2.5 times of my salary. For example, if I'm getting 1000 rupees over there, I'm getting 2500 rupees now. Apart from my functional skills and knowledge what I have got, I guess just because of the tools what I have learned.
Our final question, how can you describe Intellipaat in 1 sentence?
A platform where you can go from beginner to pro.
Thank you Yashwant. It was a pleasure speaking with you.